So my new S10 arrived today. I was doing some work from home and it just got couriered in. So I thought I may as well open it and record the process. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do it with just one hand, but we'll try. I also got these cool buds, and I pre-ordered some the Spigen, is that how you say it? Case for it as well. So yes, I'm going to try and do this one-handed while looking at this. I'm not really quite sure how that's going to work, but let's figure it out. Nope, that's not going to work. Hang on a second. Nope, that worked. Alright, so I opened it. Oh, it's got a little manual thing in there. Okay, that's pretty cool. I managed to get it stuck there. That's cool. This is the phone. I got myself the green one. So, what is this? Little tab to help you lift it. Back of it is iridescent green. Okay. Looks pretty cool. You probably can't tell on it, but it has this really funny, shiny effect on it. Looks pretty similar to my S8. Feels pretty similar to my S8. That's what I'm recording on right now. Yeah, it feels a bit lighter. It's interesting. I'll just put it there. In the box, got this. See us first. I guess this is a how-to manual thing. Nope. Okay. You got a charger, which is always good. You've got this. I don't know what it's called. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. This is USB to USB-C thing, which is cool. And then that looks like the wire inside there. And here you've got the AKG earphones, which I've heard really good things about. So yes, that is the unboxing. That's all it is. I'm not going to do a review on it, obviously, because I haven't actually used the thing. I've heard good things about it. And yes, that is the unboxing of the S10.